Hey everybody, this is my new campsite for a while. Just on the other side of these trees is a lake that we can walk right up to. And here's Yuma, he's already tuckered out. So this is my first ever hot tent. Been using it for a few weeks and it's amazing. I wouldn't get one of these ones, I'd get one of the cloth ones, just because of burn holes. But other than that, I mean, it's incredibly spacious. There's my bed, there's the wood stove. I mean, a lot of space. So that's it. I'll keep you guys updated as the adventure continues.